guess what I have for you today? Let me just get that real quick. Oh, snap! Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the doTERRA LRP for October, which is again like Christmas in a box. Christmas comes early in October, so without further ado, let's get into it for today. Alright, so I have my package. Nice package, you may be thinking, right? It's a family show. Alright, so we're just going to open this up, and boom, boom. Alright. Yes. Are you excited? I'm excited. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Okay. Bubble wrap. Not going to pop it this time. I'm going to fight the urge. Fight the urge. There was a 200-point special this month, and guess who took advantage of that? This guy right here. Okay. So, wow, let's just take things out. I'm going to move it over this way and then just kind of talk about it. All right, so I got the V-shake for my green smoothies. So, can you see that? Boom. And I got 2 of them because I was running low. So a green smoothie a day is very beneficial for you because it helps with energy, digestion, and supporting healthy weight management. And this is a vegan protein powder, so a good source of fiber and protein. And I use that in my smoothies. So I have smoothie recipes. If you're interested in learning more, hit me up, you know what I'm saying, leave a message. They're very transformational in my life. They help keep me regular for sure. And fill in the gap from what you don't get from your food, because the standard American diet spells SAD, S-A-D, and it is truly sad with regards to its effects on our bodies. But that's the standard, so yeah. Alright, so let's continue here. Alright, so there's some little pamphlets about what's coming up for the holidays. Boom, and you know, it's like a little mini brochure, so coolness. There also is the special this month, so you can see here, I'm just going to read it and then I'll show you. So receive a free 5 ml red mandarin, oh snap, 5 ml kumquat, that's right, 5 ml clementine, and a car diffuser with any single 200 PV order from October 1st to October 31st. October 1st to October 31st. Boom, there it is. You've seen it here. And guess who took advantage of that? This person. Yeah, getting all that for free. Okay, so let's grab those, okay? Because you can't just mention it and then not show it. Okay, so here's the kumquat. That is such an interesting name. I can't wait to do a video on all the benefits and uses of it. That's right. So there's that, and then you have red mandarin. Boom. Yeah. So 5 mils of those. There's one more here. I keep these, by the way, too, when I ship out samples to people. Yeah. Alright, where's the other one hiding out here? Okay. And then clementine. Ooh, yeah. Oh, can you see it? Okay. So when in doubt, you may be asking, Lance, I need to know the benefits and uses so I can clearly use these oils when I get them. Alright, so when in doubt, just take off the cap like this. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to smell it too. Clementine. That reminds me of tangerine, but it's very good. I love clementine. Eating them though. So this is going to have a lot, obviously, more therapeutic value, but no nutritional value, but lots of therapeutic value, cleansing, detoxing. So what I was trying to say is you can just put it on your shower walls. You know, just kind of shuck it a few times, and that's a great way to use oils when you're not really sure what to use it, because at least you're getting the aromatherapy, and that's key. And that's a great way to practically use essential oils every day, assuming you shower every day. So I'm sure you do, right? It's the other friend. Actually, I know somebody that doesn't, and it's kind of like, not going to judge. This is a judge-free zone. This is a judge-free zone. But this is a, yeah. Alright. Oh, I got Kabiba this month. Boom. Can you see it? Yeah. Boom. Kabiba supports neurological function. This stuff is the real deal. I'm going to use this. I actually haven't tried it. Well, I've tried it, but I haven't bought it yet, so it's been long overdue. I'm really looking forward to this. Taking it internally as well. Yes! Video, actually, you know, I did a video on this as well, so you can check that out. Alright, what else do we get up in here? We got some, the whole opening of the packages just makes you feel kind of good. You know, you're just like, ooh, ooh, the sounds, the touch, the feel, TMI. but maybe not for some. Okay. Lemon, one of the most commonly used oils. I use this a ton, so I usually get that. Running low on peppermint. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, I got a lot of free oils this month too. I used points. Did I use points? Let me see. I think I just got a lot for free. Yeah, I got these for free, plus this diffuser, which I'm going to show you this in a second. Let me finish some of these oils here. I got the deodorant. This is new. So I got the balanced deodorant, the natural deodorant. So let's... Ooh, I like that. I wish you could smell this. But you can once you get it as a part of your doTERRA LRP order. So, yeah. I like the smell. I like the smell. Alright. We have Terrazyme here. So this is the digestive enzymes. I got 2 because, I just don't like to run out. And I use these. So the rule of thumb is you eat 1 of these capsules if you have, if your meal is a third cooked. 2 capsules if that one meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 if your meal is 100% cooked. This will help you to basically break down proteins, fibers, fats, carbohydrates, sugars, so that your digestive tract and basically overall digestive system doesn't have to work as hard, which will allow you to absorb more nutrients, which will help you on a cellular level and helps with energy and a lot of other stuff. And there could be a lot of stuff that's not broken down after a long time of not breaking it down, so you want to break it down. This is like the latest Drake song or hit single for your digestive tract, because it allows you to break it down. Just like me, I don't go to the clubs or bars anymore really, but when I did, I broke it down a little bit. It breaks it down for your digestive tract system. I'm breaking it down for you as well, with the explanation. So it's like a triple. Anyways, we're going to go to the probiotics, which is the PB Assist Plus. Boom. So this, let me just read this off because this is pretty amazing stuff. So it's a proprietary formula. Let me do that again. It's a proprietary formula of prebiotic fiber, and the prebiotic feeds the probiotics. It's like the food source. And 6 strains of probiotic microorganisms in a unique double layer vegetable capsule delivering 6 billion, billion CFUs, which are basically like individual microorganisms or active probiotic cultures, and a soluble prebiotic fiber that encourages culture adhesion and growth. The time-release system protects sensitive probiotic cultures from stomach acid and is safe for your whole family. Boom! I take this every day. Can you see it? Every day. Every day. Support that. This is your second brain, your small intestine, so if your sleep or energy or something, gotta get this, the gut health. Gut-brain axis. So important to get the gut health right. Some people are like, yeah, whatever, but no, for real. These right here, for real. In the green smoothies, yes, okay. All right, let's talk about, we're gonna save the best. Well, I won't say the best for last, but they're all pretty much the best. Diffuser, it's coming up. All right, so this is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan one because I'm vegan. So we have the VE Omega, which is going to support the brain, joint, and muscle function is what this is going to support. This is basically got 9 essential oils, so it has clove, frankincense, thyme, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile, as well as some other botanical extracts for your health. Boom, there it is. Really good source, because we don't get enough in our food. Even if you eat healthy, I use that term in quotation marks, because you already know. Because some people are like, I eat healthy, but really that don't mean you always eat healthy, and to what degree, right? So it's like frequency, degree, all that good stuff. Healthy is a very relative term, that's what I'm trying to say. So we all have opportunities to improve, so myself included, but just keep it real. Alright, so Alpha CRS Plus, looking for some energy, looking for some cellular energy. This is where it is. No, caffeine, no sugar, just botanical extracts. There's a tummy tamer blend to help support your digestion as well. So important to help you on a cellular level, specifically your mitochondria, which are the little engines of your cells. So this is really, really critical to have and supplement in your life. And let's talk about this. All right, so this is the Vegan Microplex VMZ. So this is a whole food multivitamin and mineral supplement to help fill in the gap from what you don't get from your foods as well. So when you combine these with a green smoothie, you're really helping to support your body in a lot of different ways.